Hello everyone. Now the next program is how to create the screenshot using the Python. So first you have installed the pip install py auto GUI. I have already installed. So first you install this library, then import this library. Okay, this is the variable where I pass the py auto gi dot screenshot. So it's working. Then I want to see the image, screenshot image. So img is a variable that show. So it's give the some problem. It's okay. Next, that I want to save the image, my image save in my desktop. So I have given the path in desktop path. So it's working. Now I show you that it's save on the desktop or not. So you can see the scon.png. This one is the screenshot. Okay. So this is the small program where we have using the screenshot. How to take the screenshot by using the Python. Thank